Today I have a mind-blowing geometry problem that will twist your brain in the best way. We are given a semicircle. Inside this semicircle, a square is placed in such a way that one of its corners coincides with the center of the semicircle. Its sides lie along the diameter, and its top left corner touches the arc like this. And this slant height is given as 2 units, and our goal is to find the area of this blue shaded square. You can pause and take a moment to think about it. Alright, let us solve it together. Let us suppose the side length of the square is x units. That means the area of this blue shaded square will be equal to x squared, right? Now draw a radius from the center of the semicircle toward arc like this, and label it as r. Since this is also the diagonal of the square, so using the Pythagorean theorem we have, r squared equals x squared plus x squared. This simplifies to r equals the square root of 2 times x. That means this length is root 2 times x units, and this is also root 2 times x units, right? Next, draw a line connecting the upper right corner of the square to the end point of this diameter like this, and define this length as y units. Now look at the right triangle formed between the square and the radius of the semicircle. The base of this right triangle is the square root of 2 times x. The height is x units, and the hypotenuse is y units. So again, using Pythagorean theorem we have y squared equal to root 2 times x squared plus x squared. Simplifying this, we get y squared equal to 2 times x squared plus x squared, which is 3 times x squared. And taking the square root on both sides gives us y equal to the square root of 3 times x. Let us mark this as equation 1 and put it here. Now draw a symmetric line connecting upper right corner of blue square to the arc like this. Since this is x units, that means this is also x units, right? We know that accordingly to the intersecting chord theorem, that is when 2 chords intersect inside a circle, the product of the 2 parts of one chord is equal to the product of the 2 parts of the other chord. That means x multiplied by x is equal to 2 multiplied by y. Substituting y equal to root 3 times x from equation 1, we get x multiplied by x equal to 2 multiplied by root 3 times x. Dividing both sides by x, we have x equal to 2 times root 3. Now substitute x equal to 2 times root 3 into our area formula. The area of the blue square is equal to x squared, which is 2 times root 3 squared, or 4 times 3. That simplifies to 12 square units. And that is our final answer. Pretty cool, right? But wait, before you go, here is a bonus challenge. Can you express the area of this square in terms of a variable instead of specific numbers? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more brain-teasing math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.